this blade in a handle, it makes it a lot more useful. You can get a better bite when you're carving and such. But the blade alone works good as a razor type blade that you can do small cut cordages and so on. But right now what I'm going to do is fashion up some fat wood, process it, and strike it up. Myself, we're going to start a fire here, and I'm just going to show you how well this can work. As you see, it carved that pretty nice. I have also sharpened this edge a little bit. When you get it, it comes sharp, but you have to hold it at a certain angle and such. So I took a diamond sharpener, spent a few minutes just to put the edge on that I wanted. Carves wood pretty decent now. As you've seen, it works for a striker. Got to push down hard, and you got to find that sharp spot for sure. Works good as an emergency ferro rod striker, but it does take some work. What I also like about these is the retaining sticky pad that they have on the back. I've just removed the blade, there it is, from the stick that I had for a handle. Now I can place this back. So it's as simple as putting it in there and sticking it. Just like that there. And it's held in my wallet in this plastic little sheath here. So let's go over the card. This here is the knife here. And I made it into a spear point. The tip is a spear point design because then I can make holes with it if I need to make a bow drill. I can also use it to drill. I've also put bigger holes in here that I can use cordage to make a handle if I wanted to, and just put it in through. And it helps secure it into a handle, a stick, or even a shaft if I wanted to, and so on. This here is a spear and frog gig. Nice size. Also the larger holes. Up here are long shank hooks that I can use paracord and make some lures with. Or if you have fish with teeth, the longer shank the better. So I have long shank, I've got a couple needles here, some shorter shank hooks, and these here are actually lures, and they act as a weight as well. So all summer I've been using Grim Survival hooks, and also one of the lures that they have for my fishing kit, and I've been catching a lot of fish. This one here I wanted to design with bigger holes as well, that I can use bank line in it if need be. I'll let you look at that right there, and that acts as a weight and a lure. It's just shiny, it doesn't have an action to it, but it's just shiny as it goes through the rapids and stuff, and it will attract attention. But it acts as a weight, and you have your hook on the other end. But they're also trap triggers. This knot tray here is a trap trigger. So what you do is you put a loop down below, you take your snare pole, run your line down, it's attached to this side, and then that side there you would run down and hook this into that loop. This bottom part is where you put your snare. So you have your top line coming from your twitch pole, and then you have your snare hooked to this bottom one. And then this hooks to the loop that you have tied to the ground to hold your twitch pole down. Animal gets caught in the snare, starts pulling, that pulls this notch off of your loop, and it's twitched up. That's how they work. I've got a video showing similar from the Fowler signature card and how it works, and this here would work about the same kind of way, and that's why I designed these this way, so they would be a lure plus a trap trigger. So this card I actually designed around fishing and trapping. It has the 2 trap triggers here plus 5 fish hooks, also the needles for getting out splinters, different things for medical, plus repairing your gear. The Gig frog spear, that there is an emergency food gathering tool. And the knife I use, a lot of times I don't carry a knife, so I'll actually take a card out, take the knife out, cut a piece of cordage, and so on. Just stuff like that, use it as a utility knife. But it also comes in handy if you don't have a knife out in the woods and so on. So many uses with this card, and I like that I can use it and put it back. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can check the this card out and just see if it's something that you may like as well. I'm rather excited about it, and I'm glad to carry it. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.